Have you ever wondered why some commodities stay expensive for years? Welcome to this week's Word of the Week, Commodities Supercycle. So, what exactly is a commodities supercycle? It's a rare but powerful phenomenon, a long-term period where commodity prices soar well above their average, often lasting decades. According to the Bank of Canada, it's an extended period during which commodity prices are well above or below their long-run trend. But what triggers a commodities supercycle? It often begins with rapid economic development. As countries industrialize, like China did in the early 2000s, demand for raw materials skyrockets. Then there's global growth and urbanization. When economies expand, they need resources like oil, copper, and iron to build new infrastructure. Next, supply constraints play a role. High demand, coupled with limited supply due to environmental, logistical, or geopolitical factors, keeps prices up over long periods. Finally, monetary policy and inflation can drive supercycles too. When inflation rises, investors often turn to commodities as a hedge, pushing demand and prices even higher. Now let's have a look at the commodities that drive these supercycles. In a commodities supercycle, certain resources see a big jump in demand. Metals and minerals like copper, aluminum, iron ore, lithium, and nickel are in high demand, as they're essential for infrastructure, electronics, and green energy. Energy commodities, including oil, natural gas, and coal, also rise because they're crucial for transportation, heating, and electricity. Even agriculture isn't left out. Grains, livestock, and other food products often see price hikes, influenced by factors like weather and geopolitical events. So, what impact does a commodities supercycle have? On the economic side, high commodity prices can fuel inflation, increasing the cost of goods. While this can hurt importing nations, exporting countries often benefit from trade gains. For investors, commodities become attractive assets, and companies in these sectors often see stock growth. Finally, governments may step in with policies to tackle inflation or support key industries. And that's your Word of the Week. Don't forget to follow for more insights, and we'll see you next week with another trading word.